I'm Achille Capelli. I work at the University of Alaska Fairbanks at the Geophysical Institute in the CIS group. I'm a postdoc and I spent the last 3 years building an instrument for measuring sea ice thickness, and the instrument goes on a drone where we can fly over the sea ice and map the sea ice thickness. So the instrument is an EM sounder that uses induction, so a varying magnetic field that induces currents in the conductive seawaters, and these inducted currents induce secondary magnetic field that tell us how far the water surface is. We build the instrument from scratch, so I planned or designed the instrument and then build the electronic parts. We are doing the final test of the instrument, so we are gonna know what the precision of the instrument is. Conditions are a bit windy, so we did a first good flight, the second where is at the limit. Was good because it tells now what is our limit in the wind, where we can fly and when it's going to be just too much. I kind of have to go back and look at the data, but I think what I've seen right now looks good, and it's often really good also just to see what are the limits. Hopefully we're going to have a few more flights this week and get to test all the possible combination of settings.